Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Till now we are working about IP table, if config, ETS tool, trace route, telnet and all. So today we'll see we are able to reach to the 106 server ping 192.168.1.106. We are able to reach, but as you know, SSH is working on port 22. So I need to verify if I am able to reach on a port 22 or not to that server. For that, I need to use telnet. Okay, telnet is not installed in my system, so what I will do, yum install telnet. Okay, it's showing telnet package installed. Press Y. Perfect. Telnet. Okay, then IP 192.168.1.106, port number 22. See, it's getting connection. So to exit it, okay, connection close. But if I do port 55, connection refused because port 55 is not accessible. So that's how you can check port 22 connection is enabled for this server mode. So as you can see, port 22 enabled, I can do access to this server. Okay, but I should have the root password of this server. Let's see. I'm not having the root password, so it's not working. But I am having Amit user password. So how will you do? Amit @ and pass Amit user password of the server. So this system will go to this system and check is Amit user present, is working or not. I will log out. Now if I put SSH-PBP, so I will get all the information. See, let me enter the password. Let it get session connected. Okay. Now this is the debugging mode of SSH. We see. Okay. Reading etc sh-conf. Okay. Line number 16. Applying option star. Identifying the root because we have tried using root user here. So it's trying to get it. Permanent UID. Local version. This thing. Key. It is getting read. But here it's try to reach multiple things, and here debug next authentication method because authentication password these are not defined. They have command. So Amit is from the password. I have sent the password. Then we have sent a password package. Wait for reply. Authentication successful. Authenticated to this IP from 106 port 22. Channel is this. Now it's setting the environment. Okay, ignore or set. Channel input, cell request accepted for channel 0, welcome. So that's how you can trace it. If your customer is saying, I'm not able to reach to IP 108. Okay, let's see. So using this log, you can say, 108, where is that? There's no route defined. Then you can ping it, ping 108. It's not happening. So according to this, or if I do 106 and if I give wrong password, and I think password failed. So from debugging mode, we'll come to know it's happening or not. And on a client server, we can also check. We'll check this thing in a further manner in upcoming videos. But today think what we are doing. Every time I'm logging to this server, let me remove these options. So every time I log into this server, I need to pass the password, and I'm getting bored. I don't want this password. That's all for today's video. SSH keygen and these things we have learned. See you next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning.